Okay, tofu in first, yeah?
Okay.
I want you to watch first. I know we can start at the same time like soup, but pad thai is really unique thing. You have to make sure the tofu crunchy. I turn the gas over for you now. Make it higher. Important to make tofu better taste, better texture. Smell it? Yeah. When you smell the garlic, immediately chicken. Happen every day. I know you can take to that. Yeah, okay? And now you, what else can I almost fry? You mix everything together. Stir and mix all the together. Mix. When you stir it up a little, you have to see what's in the bowl. That's why the street vendors are very angry. They have fast, you know, they heat, and you don't want the noodles stuck together. What is this lovely place? Hey! Is it very good for you guys? Yeah. All the veggies. Yeah, all the veggies. Mix, mix, mix. Flip, make sure everything is done. Doing the food from, yeah? We use, make sure it's thick, we use that part, yeah, right. Sugar 1 spoon. Sugar 1 spoon. Oyster sauce the whole cup, more. Salt the whole spoon. Yeah. Soy sauce 2 spoons. This is the inside of the spring roll, huh? We're going to finish. We'll do like glass noodle in, that's it. Basically, stir fry vegetable with glass noodle. Okay. And then when it's long, you just want to keep this sauce crunchy. On the way, keep moving, make sure the noodle touch the hot wall.
That's the one Phil made. Phil is good. He will make the spring rolls.
Okay. Actually, you know the trick is this when you fry, it will open up. See?
It's gonna open up.
Yeah.
That's not good.
You're pretty cool. I know you remember the step, but we can fix a little bit to make it tighter. We're making curry paste. Here we try to finish our Penang curry paste, but the dry chili very tough. It take a while. She's already halfway. Are you tired?
No, I can go further.
It makes you more hungry. I always keep saying
Yeah,
people
yeah,
like
that's good.
exercise,
Yeah.
so you have more room for more food because we cook a lot of food every day. And can actually you can do harder, but you have to be careful to get into your eyes. I can help you. If I do 3 minutes, it will help you in the long run. Yeah. So I'm professional. I'm a strong woman. The best way you bring the big chunk into the middle, look, and then you hit them hard. See? When you do this, you finish faster. You don't have chili paste. Run over in the corner too. Push from the sides into the middle. You see? The big chunk breaks them. Right. Good, yeah. Okay. Let it boil one more time. You wanna eat this to taste it again? And I served it right, yeah. When you eat with the rice, it will be good. Better than before, yeah. Beside the rice, yeah. This Penang has to be very hot and sweet, not very, very spicy. And it shouldn't be salty.
Okay.
Yeah. But not too salty. Like myself, I make the coriander salty. But myself, I like fish sauce again on top of the rice. And how Thai women like it, The fish sauce and the chili on top.